guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a video for you guys. We have the 4 steps to complete to launch your first product on Amazon tutorial. Let's jump. Anyway, so here we have the 4 steps that we need to complete from step 1 to step 4. Always remember that in order to go to step 3, first you have to do step 2 and step 1. So this is in order, you cannot jump the steps. Step 1, product research and business setup. These 2 things can be done together before we're moving on. So you're gonna be setting up your business and doing your product research at the same time. Okay, so product research, what that means? Product research means looking for the product you're going to sell. Okay, in order to do that, you're gonna need help, and the help is software. The tool that I recommend is Helium 10. So it's a fantastic tool to look for products, to look for trends, to look for opportunities, and it will help you massively. If you want to explore that tool, Helium 10, click on the link on the description and we have some discount for you guys, and it will help you to do product research. Things to keep in mind when you do product research: the product that you're going to buy, the price that you're going to pay, the dimensions of the product, the weight of the product, etc. etc. If you want to find out more about product research, please look at other of my videos where I explain more in detail product research, how to use Helium 10, what sort of products we should go with, etc. etc. So product research, business setup. What is business setup? Is how you're going to set up, how you're going to structure your Amazon business. It's really important and extremely important to do it correctly from the beginning. So the way I suggest you guys to do it, and the way I done it myself, is with a limited company or an LLC in United States. So don't do it on your name, do it on the name of a company. So you're gonna set up a company. The company, your company, is gonna be the owner of your Amazon business. Once again, if you watch my videos, I have tutorial how to set up a company. You can set up your company, and then with that company you will open the Amazon account. So the Amazon account will be on the name of the company. Once you have set up your business, and then with that business you have opened the Amazon account, and then you have done your product research and you know what you're going to sell, you move on to step 2. Step 2. What are we gonna do on step 2? On step 2, we're gonna do supplier negotiations. So we're gonna start negotiating with suppliers, the price that we're gonna buy our product, the specifications of the product, where we're gonna put the logo, the color, etc. Okay. Then is when we have that done, we're going to open the Amazon account. Okay. So these 2 things, we're doing it together. Open the Amazon account. Remember, you're gonna do it on the name of your business that you set up on step 1, and open the Amazon account. At the same time, you doing the negotiations with the suppliers. You're gonna negotiate how many units you're gonna buy. Obviously, you're starting your first product, so I wouldn't recommend you to order more than 500 units of any product, just to keep the risk low, to see what the product is, how it's gonna work, to rank the product, and so on. Then you're gonna have more time to order more. Don't go straight away and order 1,000 units of your first product. No, we manage the risk. Another things that you'll be doing on supplier negotiations will be making sure how you're gonna bring your product. If it's gonna be by plane, it's gonna be by boat. Another of my videos, I explain about shipping terms, so you can go and watch that too. And once you know, and all this is set up and all this is on the way, your product is on the way, then you move on to step 3. And step 3 is listing creation and product images. So what this means: listing creation is to create a listing on Amazon. You already have your account, so now you already have your product on the way, so you're going to create your listing. Very, very important to create the listing correctly with the correct keywords, with the correct title, etc. If you watch another of my videos, you can see how to create a listing. Once again, Helium 10, that is the tool that we're recommending here on e-commerce ventures. It helps you to create a listing, it helps you with the product research, it helps you with your keywords. So that's why I keep saying that it's a fantastic tool. I use it myself and I'm happy to recommend it to you guys. At the same time, what you're doing, you're getting product images created for your product. Very, very important to have perfect product images, correct, showing the benefits of the product and making sure that your product is attractive for customers to buy your product. So your images is your main thing to sell your product, because people on Amazon, obviously they cannot touch the product, they cannot physically have it in their hands. So how are you going to show how good is your product? How are you going to show how interesting, how you're going to show how important is your product to the customer? With the pictures, infographics, pictures explaining the benefits, explaining why this product is good. Okay, extremely important. This is on step 3. Once you have all this, we're moving on to product launching and PPC campaign. This is on step 4, product launching. So you have done all the steps and you're about to launch your product. Your product just hit on Amazon warehouse and start selling. So you need to have a good strategies launching your product, because the idea is to rank your product from page whenever it lands. That could be page 4, page 7, depending on the category. And the idea is to move your product all the way to page 1 of the result search. Okay, so as an example, you're selling this pen, orange pen, black ink. So what you want is when the customer types on the search bar on Amazon, orange pen, black ink, your product comes on the first page. In order to do that, you're going to have good product launching strategies. That could be a good PPC campaign, that could be a break-even strategy, it could be a lot of things, coupons, things to make your product attractive enough in order to rank your product to the first page. Once it's on the first page, maintain your product on the first page. 90% of the sales on Amazon are done on the first page. That's where the money is, that's when you want your product to be on. Second part of step 4 is your PPC campaign, so you're going to start activating your PPC campaign. What is PPC campaign? This is pay-per-click. So this is advertising that is done inside the Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, you can see the listing that it says sponsor. When it says sponsor, that means our PPC campaigns that people pay per click. So if you click on that listing, the owner of the listing gets charged. The idea of this is that when you click on the listing, obviously buy the product. So the PPC campaign is a must. You must have PPC campaigns. Once again, you need to have also very, very good PPC campaigns. Helium 10, the tool that I'm recommending here on e-commerce ventures, it will help you also with the PPC campaign. If you click on the link below on the description of this video, and you will have a link with discount. Okay, so anyway guys, this is the basic 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to launch your product. Step 1, product research, business setup. Step 2, supply negotiations and opening the Amazon account. Step 3, listing creation, product images. Step 4, product launching, PPC. I hope you find value in this video, and I hope it gives you the motivation and the courage to start this Amazon business, because it's amazing. It's an amazing opportunity that we have now in 2022. And please, if you have any questions, reach me, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you later.